Welcome to the Unreal BootCamp lesson on awarding achievements. In this lesson, we'll be using the Award Achievements request to update brainCloud with any achievements that the user has earned. When invoking the Award Achievements request, we need to supply a list of achievement IDs that are being awarded. Click the JSON response to familiarize yourself with the data that the request will return. Open Xcode and navigate to the network callback.h file. Declare a pair of callback methods for awarding a list of achievements. Navigate to the network manager.h file. Declare a public method named award achievement. This method takes a pointer to an achievement object as the parameter. Scroll down and declare a pair of private callback functions. Make sure to mark these methods as a U function with the callback category. Finally, declare a private network callback handler object called mAwardAchievementCallback. Navigate to the networkmanager.cbp file. And in the constructor, bind the private callback methods we just declared to the callback handler's success and failure delegates. Scroll down. Implement the award achievement method. First, check to see if the user is authenticated. If the user is not authenticated, log a meaningful error message, and then if set, invoke the callback's onAwardAchievementRequestFailed method. If the user is authenticated, we'll invoke the brainCloud's gamification services award achievements request, passing in the list of achievement IDs to award and the address of the mAwardAchievementCallback object as the arguments. In this example game, we are only awarding one achievement at a time. However, in your game, it might make sense to send multiple awarded achievements to brainCloud at the same time. To do that, just add additional achievement IDs to the achievements T array. Scroll down to the bottom. Implement the onAwardAchievementCallback method. Log the response data. If the callback is set, invoke the callback's onAwardAchievementRequestCompleted method. Next, implement the onAwardAchievementError method. Log an error message along with a JSON error. And if set, invoke the callback's onAwardAchievementRequestFailed method. Navigate to the achievement.h file. Declare a public method called award. This method takes a pointer to the Space Shooter Game Mode base object as the parameter. Navigate to the achievement CBP file. At the top, include networkmanager.h and Space Shooter Game Mode base.h. Next, implement the award method. In the body, ensure the achievement status is not awarded. In the if statement, set the status to awarded and invoke the network manager's award achievement request, passing in the this pointer as the argument. Navigate to the HUD info scroller user widget.h file. We're going to leverage the UI system that scrolls through the high scores to display an achievement notification when one is earned. In the HUD info scroller data struct, declare an overloaded constructor that takes an achievement pointer and the initial position as the parameters. Navigate to the HUD info scroller user widget.cbp file. At the top, include achievement.h. Next, implement the HUD info scroller data overloaded constructor. Use the achievement pointer to initialize the text member variable. Navigate to the Space Shooter HUD.h file. Declare a public method called pushAchievement. Navigate to the Space Shooter HUD.cbp file. Implement the pushAchievement method. Essentially, this method will take the achievement pointer parameter and it will use it to create a HUD info scroller data object and then push that onto the screen. Unlike the regular high score notifications, the achievement notification will stay on screen for 2.5 seconds. Once the 2.5 seconds has elapsed, we'll then push the previously displayed information on screen. Navigate to the Space Shooter Game Mode base.h file. Declare a private method called checkEndlessModeTime achievements. Navigate to the Space Shooter Game Mode base.cbp file. Scroll down. Implement the checkEndlessModeTime achievements method. In the body, get the Survive 30 achievement object. If the elapsed time is greater than 30 seconds and the achievement has not been awarded, award the achievement and push the achievement object onto the HUD to display to the user. Remember, the achievement's award method will invoke the network manager's award achievement method and send the achievement data to the brainCloud server. Next, get the Survive 60 achievement object. If the elapsed time is greater than 60 seconds and the achievement has not been awarded, award the achievement and push the achievement object onto the HUD to display to the user. Scroll up and find the next level method. After the statement where the spawner explodes all the active game objects, check to see if the mLevel index member variable is equal to 0. That would mean that level 1 was just completed. Get the beat level 1 achievement object, and if the achievement has not been awarded, award the achievement and push the achievement object onto the HUD to display to the user. Scroll up and find the tick method. In the highlighted if statement that checks to see if the game mode is endless. Invoke the check endless mode time achievements method that we wrote earlier. In the Unreal editor, run the game. Click brainCloud, then click Achievements. None of the achievements have been awarded. Let's play the game and try and change that. To save time, video playback will be sped up. In a few seconds, the player will earn the Survive 30 achievement. Notice that the achievement was pushed onto the heads-up display. The player has exploded and the game is over. We've earned a new all-time high score, and if we check the achievements dialog, we've also earned 1 achievement. An overview of user entities is the next lesson in the Unreal BootCamp.